Okay, let's dive into this. Let's just get straight into it. I know the last time I made this video, I kind of beat it around the bush, but I can do it this time. You know what I'm saying? I can do it. Okay. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully today you guys are having an amazing day. We back again talking about the craziness that's been going on inside the sneaker community. And at this point, I'm absolutely sure that you already know what's going on, okay? Lil Nas X did this crazy music video for a song. Afterwards, he came out and unrolled this sneaker. The sneaker was called the Satan shoe, okay? It was crazy. I've already did a video on this. Let me mute my phone real quick. I don't need no interruptions, but I already did a video on this shoe. I did a video talking about it. If you haven't seen that one, I'm gonna link it down below. But for my people who didn't watch it, basically, like I said, I'm pretty sure you know about the shoe. It's basically, you know, satanic. It has scriptures, it has pentagrams on it, it has like ink that's supposed to be like blood dye in the shoe. It's just completely a satanic shoe. And the world is completely in outrage. And I knew for a fact it was only a certain amount of time before Nike stepped in and decided to take action, because they were already saying that they were not a part of this release. And the reason why I'm saying that is because we are a sneaker community. We watch sneaker videos, right? We know sneaker politics and we know how this go, all right? Nike does not want to ruin their brand by being associated with a shoe like this, because at the end of the day, it's an Air Max 97, which is a Nike shoe. So Nike doesn't want to be a part of this because they like, yo, look, this is our brand. We cannot ruin our brand because people that don't know about sneakers like me and you, who don't research sneakers like me and you, the first thing they think about it, bro. Think about it. They decided to drop a shoe, bro, it's still going on. They decided to drop a shoe that is satanic with a Nike swoosh on the side. The first thing America thinks about, the first thing that the world thinks about is, how can Nike do this, right? How can Nike drop a shoe like this knowing that it's going against everything that people believe in? By the way, I said this in my last video, I'm gonna say it now. This was never a Nike shoe, okay? This was a MSCHF collab. MSCHF has collabed on several sneakers before. So this is not the first sneaker that MSCHF has collabed with or has collabed on. They've done several in the past. But the reason why I think this one is getting so much attention is because we live in a generation where positivity does not get enough attention as negativity. If you do something negative, you going viral. If you do something positive, you'd be lucky to get 2 retweets. I'm telling you right now, that's just the world we live in. It's sad, but it is what it is. Lil Nas X, I'm gonna be honest, he's getting exactly what he wanted out of this. I felt like he was trolling from the beginning. I felt like it was just a stunt to make his videos go a little bit higher or to get a little bit notoriety on his message. And it absolutely worked. Shout out to my boy A Sneaker Life. That's the homie one time for the one time. His video was literally trending with almost 1 million views in like 2 days. And the second video where he threw the sneaker away is trending as well. It's creeping its way up to 200,000. And he actually had the shoe and reviewed it and talked about it. But that'll let you know right there. Like, sneaker videos don't really trend in the YouTube algorithm to the point where it's trending number in the top 5 on YouTube in the world, which is amazing, which is crazy. But that just lets you know the craziness that's going inside. But as I told you guys, man, Nike is planning to sue MSCHF because they don't want to be a part of all the negativity that's going on. So I'm gonna read y'all a few details from the Nike suing. Therefore, y'all are a little bit more up to date on what's going on. So in the lawsuit filed Monday, Nike accuses MSCHF's product studio of trademark infringement over the designer's 666 pairs of modified Nike sneakers. Now, for the people who don't know, all right, it was 666 pairs made. No coincidence, okay? I'm not gonna say those words or those numbers separately, you know what I'm saying? But you get what I'm saying. They are that many pairs made, and Nike was like, look, bro, this is copyright infringement. We did not co-sign on this, though it is a custom. I don't know even who's gonna win in court, because if I was to gather a bunch of all-white Air Force Ones and spray paint stuff on the side and sell them on my website, can I get sued for copyright infringement, or is it a custom? I have no idea how that goes. So I'm not really sure on that. But like I said, I knew it was only amount of time. MSCHF has not responded to the repeated request about the comment lawsuit. And in a complaint, Nike asked the court order MSCHF to permanently stop fulfilling orders unauthorized. So this is why this is big to me. I told y'all, even though MSCHF has already been doing different sneaker collabs, or not even collabs, different sneaker customs for a variety of different causes, right? This one here hit in a way so deep that Nike was like, hey, look, you can never do this again. So it's not just like, hey, look, this is their first time doing it. They got caught, get up out of there. No, they've been doing this for a while now, and Nike is kind of just shutting everything down. Like, look, bro, I don't know what you got going on. Basically, look, I'm gonna say it in snipe terms. Hey, bro, I know what you're doing. Yeah, I don't like it. All right, cut it out. All right, you had your fun. Your run was over. Shut it down. And I mean, that's what it is, bro. I've never bought anything from MSCHF. I don't know anybody over there. But one thing I do know is Nike's a billion-dollar company. I don't want to go up against no billion-dollar company's lawyers, because they probably some savage lawyers, bro. I can only imagine the A-team lawyer system that they put together. If MSCHF decide to take this to court and fight it, they about to be going up against the Avengers of law. Okay, they're gonna have Captain America there. They're gonna have Incredible Hulk there. They're gonna have Iron Man back from the snap. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna have everybody who got a briefcase and a tie. All right, look, I'm not going up against billion-dollar law, bro. Like nah. Imagine the lawyers working for Nike, bro. Like, no, I'm not doing that. So more than likely, you know, MSCHF is gonna take this on the chin, pay whatever they gotta pay, whatever fine or whatever they gotta do to get up out of that. They're gonna get up out of that. And if they do decide to go back and forth in court, MSCHF is brave, bro. They brave. So it also says MSCHF and his unauthorized Satan shoes are likely to cause confusion and create awareness between MSCHF and products of Nike, and the sportswear company isn't compliant. So basically what they're saying is a lot of people was just like unaware of what was going on. You know, if you see a Nike swoosh on the side of something, I mean, it's quite obvious that you're going to assume that it's a Nike release shoe. I mean, who else would think it's a custom? Like I said, we do, because we are aware of the community. But these 45-year-old or 50-year-old people who just working people, who take care of their family, come home, they don't know. But they also, you know, they do understand the stand that's taken by making a satanic shoe like that, and it's something that they don't want to stand for, and obviously neither does Nike. So I mean, at the end of the day, I want this to be a conversational video. I know we conversated a little bit in the past video about the entire sneaker, but now what do y'all feel about the Nike suing MSCHF, man? I do think that Lil Nas X wins in this, because I've heard that his name is included in the lawsuit. So when I was reading this letter, and this is from the CNN too, CNN.com, it says that Lil Nas X, it says Lil Nas X isn't named as a party in the lawsuit. So he really went out of this, bro. Not only did his video go viral, his shoe goes viral, and he's not even mentioned in the lawsuit. This is a win for Lil Nas X, right? And I'm not supporting Lil Nas X. I don't support the shoe. Neither do I support the message behind the sneaker at all. But I'm not biased either. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're able to just get away with all of this, bruh, and your views go up, it's what 6ix9ine did, but, you know, he's not going to prison. You know what I'm saying? It's just the ultimate clout chasing experience. I don't even know if he needs it. Like I said, I don't really watch Lil Nas X. I don't listen to his music, but he just pulled off a bamboozle for everybody, because, I mean, who don't know what's going on with Lil Nas X in this time period, to be honest. And if he's not held accountable of any of this stuff, not saying he should be, not saying he shouldn't, but I'm saying if he's not, he just got everything to gain and nothing to lose. So I just feel like that's crazy. Regardless, I want to know how you guys feel about this. Once again, Nike is planning to sue MSCHF. Actually, the lawsuit is already put in action, so it is happening. How do you feel about this? How do you feel about, you know, Lil Nas X not being named inside of the lawsuit for that shoe? And more importantly, what do you think about the backlash, the coverage that's been happening about this satanic shoe that's coming out, man? It is your boy Sniper Jones. Of course, y'all know, man, I drop consistent content over here on the channel, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already did. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Until next time, you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.